Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we configured Ingress and used it to route traffic using paths like /app1 and /app2. That routing worked correctly, but the traffic was still plain HTTP. In real applications, traffic should be secure. So, in this video, we will secure our applications using TLS and HTTPS with Ingress. Before we start the demo, remember this. TLS is the security protocol. HTTPS is HTTP running on top of TLS. In Kubernetes, TLS is usually configured at the Ingress layer. So, the traffic flow looks like this. Browser to HTTPS, HTTPS to Ingress, Ingress to service, service to pods. Ingress handles the encryption. Services and pods stays the same. So, the takeaway here is we can secure the application without changing the application itself. Now, let's switch to Visual Studio Code and take a look at the configuration. Let's verify current cluster state. For that, we need to run the commands kubectl get pods, kubectl get services, and kubectl get ingress. We have pods running, we have a service and its cluster IP, which is the default service type, and we also have an ingress resource. Routing was already verified in the previous video. In this video, we will focus only on enabling HTTPS. Let's verify Ingress YAML file. The Ingress file has already been updated to include a TLS configuration. Let's look at the important section. TLS section. This tells Ingress to use a certificate stored in the Kubernetes secret called TLS Secret. Notice that the same host is defined under the rules section. This ensures the certificate and routing apply to the same host. Let's switch to Docker Desktop. Notice we don't have any TLS secret yet. Without a TLS secret, Ingress cannot enable HTTPS. So, the next step is creating the secret. Let me clear the screen. For this demo, a self-signed certificate was generated beforehand. This created two files, tls.crt and tls.key. This is the certificate and tls.key is the private key. Now, we will store these files inside Kubernetes as a secret. For that, we need to run the command kubectl create secret. Let me clear the screen. Kubectl create secret TLS TLS secret, and we need to pass cert equal to tls.crt -key equal to tls.key. Let's verify. kubectl get secrets. This command creates a TLS secret in Kubernetes. So the secret stores the certificate and the private key. Ingress will read this secret to enable HTTPS. Remember this, Ingress does not create certificates. Ingress uses certificates stored in secrets. Let's apply. Let me clear the screen. kubectl apply -f. We need to pass the file name ingress.yaml. Now the Ingress resource is updated with the TLS configuration. Routing stays the same, but HTTPS is now enabled. Let's test this in browser. We see a browser warning. That's expected because we are using a self-signed certificate. The browser does not trust the certificate issuer. But the important thing is the connection is encrypted and HTTPS is working. Click Advanced and proceed to localhost unsafe. Now the application loads. Let's check /app2. The application loads. Let's switch to Docker Desktop. Pods, services, Ingress and secret. Notice something important. Pods did not change. The service did not change. The only thing added were the TLS certificate and the TLS configuration in Ingress. So today we learned TLS is the security layer. HTTPS is HTTP over TLS. Ingress is where HTTPS is usually configured. Certificates are stored in Kubernetes as secrets. So the final takeaway is Ingress decides how traffic enters securely. Services decide which pods receive the traffic. In real applications, certificates are usually not created manually. Teams typically use tools like Let's Encrypt, Cert Manager or Cloud Manager certificates. These tools automatically issue certificates, renew them before expiration, store them as Kubernetes secrets. So, the architecture remains the same, only the certificate management becomes automated. In the next video, we will explore config maps and how Kubernetes helps manage application configuration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.